My name is Jeremy Ferris, and this is Scalable Data Infrastructures 1301. It's my first project and my first go at JavaScript. Um, I think everything went well. I had a few errors and had a few things I had to backtrack and figure out, and most of it was really simple, just an extra letter here or a bracket that wasn't in quite the right place. Um, Most of it seemed pretty simple. The variables in the console log, it was kind of self-explanatory. The if statements got a little more complicated along with the brackets and the else statements. The only thing that really didn't go well, it took me a little longer to pick up on some of the stuff. I haven't quite picked it up yet. Um, I started a little late from some personal issues, and but other than that, I think everything went really well. Um, Relation of this compared to anything I've ever done before, there's really not much relation. Um, this is a whole new world for me. Um, Future relation, I can see. I hope I'm doing a lot more of this in future jobs, careers, and everyday life. I hope I use the skills that I learned here a lot more fluently. You know, as I say, I read it on here somewhere that JavaScript, and programming in general is, not a natural skill, so everyone can learn it. And at one point in time, I didn't know if I was ever going to learn it. But now that I'm starting, I'm starting to see more truth to that. Um, JavaScript as a whole, I think I enjoy it a little more than I thought I would. I mean, it's it helps center information, put information into context where a computer can understand it, and hopefully I'll be able to make something with that, beyond just applications and games. Maybe I'll be able to make a career with the information I've learned here. um, the reason I chose my themes, the way I did, um, my theme, the topic I used was about pizza. And, Mito's Pizza, it's a fictional place, but I made it up just to save from having to cite any sources or anything like that. But my family, I'm sure everyone here likes pizza to some extent, but my family, and I included, have a very large like for pizza. Um, my son, he's 3, and he has an obsession with pizza, and this is, a little over exaggerated, but as I said, it's a story, so it is a little over exaggerated. But he does have an obsession with pizza. He loves pizza. We all do, but he loves it, I think, even more than we do. To an extent, I would say obsession with pizza. Um, but for is JavaScript, it is something that I at one time didn't ever see myself learning, but it's something that's always interested me. Small devices coming into play here, mobile devices. Um, Very interesting to me. And they're becoming more and more a part of modern society, just about every aspect. Um, and they say that it's a new technology and it's only growing. And if that's where the growth's going to be at, and something I enjoy doing, that's where I want to be. And so again, my name is Jeremy, and this was my first go at JavaScript, and I really enjoyed it.